Okay, so what's this all about? Well, like all YouTubers, we get an idea to do something or wish to spread information that one feels is newsworthy or of some value to someone else, especially as your videos are being watched worldwide. Did you know that in excess of 5 billion videos are watched every day on YouTube? Hence, people are constantly searching online for information. Makes one think, doesn't it? I believe that if you have something to share and can help someone without expecting coin back in return is a wonderful blessing. Some may scoff or even hate your video content, yet many tens of thousands of others will love it. Anyway, back to the point. After I gave this a lot of thought on various possible topics, I eventually decided upon simply going back to basics, as I felt that most people have forgotten, or in some cases, never learned those things. Hence the name of my channel, How To with Basics. This is very prevalent in today's world, especially as we are living in a fast-paced, high technological world with everything now being just a consumable. Okay then, what are the specific basic points that I will be addressing? Well, I'll be discussing all of that and more coming up. Hey guys, what's up? This is my first video, so some of you don't know me. Well, I'm Tim with How To with Basics, bringing you the best tools and tips needed in getting those basic things done in and around the home. So let's get started. My thoughts on starting this channel were based on the fact that many people who have just left home and moved into their own pad often lack the basic know-how needed in fending for themselves. Now, I don't want to sound like some old timer preaching to the converted, but let's be honest. We are talking about the human race here, where in the majority of cases, we tend to do things on impulse, right? Based on my experience, I mostly had to learn things the hard way. A good example of this was, well, when I was 21, I moved out of home and into my first apartment. The idea of freedom, self-reliance and total independence was an awesome thought until a few realities hit home. I had to put a basic budget together to manage my income and expenditure, failing which I could overspend and then be short of cash come month end. But where do I start? Then I went to the supermarket to buy my first week's groceries and ended up getting what I thought I needed, which obviously, being young at the time, included beer, crisps, chocolates, and yes, I did include some basic healthy foods. But then I got to the till, and wow, was that expensive. But did I know how to shop or how to check prices? Then my home needed a few extra things. So amongst all the bits and pieces I got, I also bought a few table lamps, but then discovered later that they needed a different plug. And one of them, by memory, I recall needed a longer electrical cable to reach the wall socket. Well, did I know how to change a plug and to make the electrical cable longer without the use of an extension lead? Well, the same examples and many more kept coming up time and time again, such as now having to cook dinner from scratch, as I was getting tired of eating microwave food. But once again, I didn't know where in hell to start. Then, of course, the time comes when, well, you're not feeling so well. You could go off to the doctor or the pharmacy, but Murphy's Law prevails. Whenever I got sick, it always seemed to happen after hours, when everything was closed. Problem then is, what does one do? I needed a quick fix, and just lying down to die quietly is not always the answer, even though we may feel like doing that. Well, if this is you, or you simply want to know more, then please subscribe to my channel, as I'll be covering those topics and much more, such as, firstly, general DIY and tips for in and around the home. Secondly, talking about money and how to manage your income and expenditure, plus showing you how to put a basic budget together to assist you in saving a few dollars for that rainy day. Thirdly, some easy cooking and baking ideas. A few recipes will obviously be thrown in along the way. And lastly, some good old-fashioned, tried and tested remedies to help or even cure you when you get sick. Well, that generally sums up some of the topics that I will be covering, which brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope I have whet your appetite and you will be joining me throughout this journey. Please comment below on this video if it has been of interest or of some general entertainment to you, as your feedback is very important in helping me to improve the material that I will be presenting. So don't forget to click the thumbs up button below, subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you next time on How To with Basics. Thanks. Bye.